Alright everyone, I'm here with another layout. This is of my nieces, my youngest sister's two daughters. My background, I'm going to use Basil cardstock. And this is the 8th layout that I am doing using the March kit. And so I'm coming down to the last bits of paper, pattern paper from the kit. I always have cardstock left over, so I have quite the collection going there of cardstock left over, which is fine. And I'm going to use the strip, and then those will just be scraps, which I believe I use the next layout. So of course I'm going to ink all the edges. See here, I got chicken Caesar salad. I can wait for 1 hour. I'll eat at 11. And just hold off. Or I could have chicken Caesar salad for dinner and have my bologna sandwich. I might do that. Or have the bologna sandwich for dinner. I can't say I'm in the mood for a salad right this moment. I might do that. Anyway. So that aqua grid layer is Heidi Swap's artwork, and I'm going to use this pink, it looks like school paper, and it is Jen Hadfield's Hey Hello. And let's see here. And then that gold floral layer, that small strip that I put down, that is from Crepe Paper Snowflake. That was December or January kit. Maybe it was November or December kit. So I call it the floral layer, but it's actually snowflakes. And then I have this piece of scrap that I used in a previous layout to back my photo, and so I'm going to use it for this so I can try to use it up. As well as this navy blue. I cut it a little bit too big. I like this cutter. It's been really good to me. I've had it for many years. I got it on a Black Friday, I believe, when... Oh, it's a plane. So I got it for practically nothing. And it has the wire so you can see where your blade's going to cut. So I really like that. So I'm going to use, I thought about that one, but I go for this card. Yeah, I forgot that we live close to the Leesburg International Airport. So when Mateo was here for Father's Day, he said, that plane, he looks like he's going down. He goes, why do you think he's going down? And I said, I don't know, buddy. And he says, you think they ran out of gas? And I'm like, well, I hope not. Totally forgetting, because I was in the middle of trimming the palm trees and totally forgetting that the airport was close by. Anyway, so I do the scallop, and then I realize, oh man, I didn't have a scallop that was the size I wanted. So I do it and then realize it was upside down the way I wanted to put it on my page. So at the top and then at the bottom. So I make the same mistake twice, but it works out. I just retrace the scallop and it worked fine. And voila. It's now the right direction. And then I say, oh, you know what? I'm going to cut off the ends. There. And then I do the same for this one. See, I'm doing it saying, oh, no, I need it to go this way, forgetting that it's going at the bottom, so I have to flip it, turn it, and I was like, oh, man. So, see, this is where I was like, ah, no. So I'm going to redo it, but then it just, I couldn't get it right. But it looks alright. Because see, that one, I'm like, why does that not? And trying to fix it, it wasn't going to work. But it was driving me nuts. That it was like it was not round, it was just weird. See, it's just driving me nuts. I was like, oh, forget it. So I'm just like, oh, never mind. Just leave it, go with it. So I'm going to use that. I don't know, you want to call it a tag, I guess. I'm just trying to figure out, do I want it there, behind the photo? And I go behind the layer, not the photo. So that is pretty much all I have left. And then here's my die cuts. I'm trying to figure out what do I want to use. So I'm going to use the stickers. Those are I think those are Jen Hadfield's floral stickers. And then I'm going to use some of her die cuts. And with my nieces, I figured this will be a good opportunity to use up those bags or purses. And so I try to use a lot of the die cuts. So I won't have so much left over. I think the only thing I had left over for the Jen Hadfield die cuts were the coffee cups and cupcakes. And that's pretty much it. And So I'm going to do my title using, what do I use? I use American Crafts Flutter stickers. And I'm going to use some phrase stickers, which are Pink Paisley's Bloom Street. Actually, no. Flutter and Bloom is American Crafts Flutter stickers. And the word and, because I'd have Flutter and Bloom, and the and is Pink Fresh Studio, my favorite story. And of course, the card that I cut is Heidi Swap Storyline Chapters. And then I'm going to use some enamel dots here shortly when I'm all done putting everything down. But those are Prima Marketing, Surfboard, Say It in Crystals. And then here's where I'm like, I need something else at the bottom and the top. And so here is where I use some of those washi stickers. And that is Pink Paisley's Bloom Street. That is from February kit. I'm going to use some of the phrases. And then here's where I'm going to use the butterflies that are Pink Paisley's Bloom Street. I use them around each cluster. And then I'm going to put my title by that butterfly, the word flutter, because, you know, butterflies flutter. So I'm going to do that because I thought that was kind of cool. So there's Flutter, Bloom, and then I have to put together the and. And I'm not sure where I took off. Oh, I think Coco wanted out, so the cats were out there, so I had to open up my window so I could see when she was ready to come in because I didn't stop recording. And then this is how I'm going to put down my title. And then once my title is done, that pretty much completes my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.